Hi everyone, good morning. Today I am here to give my insights about the importance of establishing sleep labs at each healthcare center across India. Sleep is the most important yet the most neglected part of our daily routine. Sleeping less hours, sleeping more hours is uh, a debatable uh, topic for a lot of people over here. In our country, India, we are progressing towards spreading awareness about sleep and its associated disorders, but we are lacking somewhere. You know, while actually spreading awareness about sleep and its related disorders, there are a lot of comorbid conditions which are actually interrelated with sleeping less amount or not having sleep quality while we are sleeping. So, to actually diagnose those disorders, we require diagnostic tools or centers in that particular healthcare center or in that particular area or country at first. Just like your primary diagnostic tool for any lung disorder, we need X-ray centers. Similarly, for diagnosing the most common and a majority of the sleep disorders require level 1, which is very preferable, or level 2 sleep labs. Unfortunately, setting up and running sleep labs is globally on a very slightly higher cost of the site, and upon that, level 1 sleep study machines are only manufactured by few companies globally, so the production is less, and awareness both are contributing to that factor. Now, I am emphasizing on level 1 sleep studies for the matter, because level 2 or even level 2, because there are a lot of comorbid diseases or disorders which are interrelated to each other, and just like obstructive sleep apnea, which is the most common in uh, global in our population, which can be diagnosed and documented. But while carrying out the sleep studies, we actually understand a lot of things like metabolic disorders, heart rate variability, changes in the EKGs, which is monitored throughout the night, and along with the desaturation events which are happening during the sleep. So there are a lot of factors, as level 1 sleep studies have a lot of parameters recorded, along with attended. We have the technician, the technologist who carry out the studies, and there are very small minute things which are observed during the sleep studies for each patient on case to case basis. So here I am to share you certain very important points to be considered while setting up a level 1 sleep lab. A healthcare first and foremost, a healthcare center which has emergency services throughout the night. In case of MSLTs, yes, we also require during the day. Then a dedicated sleep department with you know with adequate people or qualified people who can actually give a prior consultation, like a sleep medicine physician, and then if decided to go ahead with a a sleep study, there has to be some counseling before and after the sleep study, and after the results are out, there has to be a consultation followed by that, which actually helps the patient to have a wholesome overview of what were the findings in the sleep study. Then we need trained staff performing the study efficiently. Without them, the studies cannot be conducted, especially the level 1 or level 2 sleep studies, and level 1 particularly because they are attended ones. Then certified and calibrated sleep study machines. These are the must. Otherwise, how will we conduct the studies over here? Then 24 7 electricity supply, earthing facilities, soundproof room, full size bed, attached washroom, oxygen supply, and lot of other things. um, Being on the sleep technology side, I have understood this thing that we need a firm um, set of rules. I would not say rules, but a set of regulations to establish all these centers all across our country, or rather globally, so that we give importance to this particular sleep medicine stream at a global level. So yeah, to end my talk, I would really encourage people to set up sleep labs in across the country, and thank you for hearing me out.